and this is Andy Nathan with AndyNathan.net. I know, how do I come up with the creative names? It is remarkable. So here's the deal. I am on Social Oomph. I believe I've talked about this a few times, and I wanted just to go through the site real briefly, and because it looks like there's some cool updates and there's some fun little stuff here that I just want to talk to you about. Very simply, Social Oomph has initially been used for doing updates on tweets. So what you could do is you could schedule an update, and you could do it for Twitter, you could do it for Facebook, and you could also now do it for your blog. So what happens here is that, let's say I have a number of accounts, as you could obviously tell. I play around with Twitter. It is my playground. Um, what happens here is this. Let's say I want to do a tweet. All right, I'm actually gonna be gone on Friday, so I'm gonna do a tweet enjoying the beautiful weather today. Oh gosh, have I become the one who tweeted on the weather? And I have to do that, of course. So I'm going to actually schedule this to be published on Friday. So what I could do is I could schedule some days, hours, minutes, or weeks. Well, since Friday is only a few days away, I'm actually going to do days. So today is Tuesday. So I'm going to do it 1, 2, 3, 3 days from now. So here's the deal. On Friday, this will get posted at, well, it's around 1:40 on Tuesday. So I'm gonna have this post on Facebook, and then I'm also going to have this go onto my Twitter page. So I'm gonna have it go to two places at once. Now, it used to be that you could do recurrences. They really don't allow that anymore, but if you want to, that's fine. Also, let's say if I wanted to put in my website, I could do that, then do a shortened URL to make it fit under the 140 characters as required by Twitter. So there's some cool features that go along with this. So I haven't been up to date with this as much as I want lately, so I apologize. I've been using some other services as well. But Social Oomph is great because it definitely helps you out in a few other ways. I'm going to get to that in a few seconds. Here we go. We're going to update. And shablooey. Where's this not working? Come on, go faster. Well, this will eventually update. So, here we go. My tweet has been saved. Now, I'm going to go to the main landing page. One of the things I definitely want to talk about today is, well, like I said, you could add a blog, which works sort of like the tweet. I'm not going to talk about similar stuff. You could check that out. Another cool thing, which they're starting to work on, it's not done, you could view followers' clout lists. See who your friends have clout. See where their clout is. Also, they've added a cool feature here, view graphs of my Twitter statistics. Now I can follow all my different Twitter accounts, because my main account, Andy Nathan on Twitter, has 30,000 followers. However, I also have about 30 other accounts, and together I apparently have about 77,000 followers, combining all my accounts, which is actually kind of cool, because before I looked at this, I didn't actually know how many I have. I could do a count up, but you know what? I don't really want to go through 30 accounts to do this. Now, because of the fact all my Twitter accounts are on Social Oomph, because I make it a point, every new Twitter account goes on Social Oomph, because what I also use Social Oomph for is I use it for follow backs. And you could use it through follow backs. And let me do that real quick. Okay, so we're going into my portfolio of accounts, and then we're going to go into 30-minute biz. That's I have a website called 30-minute businesses. 30 businesses you could start in 30 minutes, but we're not here to talk about that. If I wanted to do an automatic message, I could do that, which is kind of cool. I have that set up on some accounts, not all. Also, I automatically can unfollow those folks who unfollow me, and actually the list I showed you before shows you that as well. Also, if I want, and I need to actually click this because I haven't been doing that as much, if I want an @replies digest, anyone who sent an @reply about 30-minute business, it emails me an @reply digest email, so I can now see what's going on. Also, in addition to that, I can automatically follow new followers who follow me from this point on, and if I wanted to, you can't do it at the same time, I could vet followers. So, this is Social Oomph. It's a really, really, really cool toy among many toys that I play with. I definitely encourage you to do that. Check it out. Also, of course, come to my site more often, AndyNathan.net. Talk to you later.